A king angrily screamed at his two sons. "There is a chest full of gold coins on top of this mountain. Bring it to me and you will be rich forever." The two sons listened and started climbing the mountain. The mountain was very tall and the conditions were very dangerous. As they started climbing, everything seemed to go as they planned, but as they climbed higher, it started snowing and the wind was blowing hard. Suddenly, the younger brother slipped and fell, breaking his leg. He couldn't climb anymore, and if the older brother left him, he would freeze to death. The older brother quickly picked him up and started carrying him. "What about the gold?" said the younger brother. "You matter more than those coins," replied the older brother. He then brought him back to the kingdom, and the younger brother was saved. They then came to their father, the king, and said, "Dad, we failed. Now we will be poor forever." The king smiled and replied, "You fools, you are already rich. You have each other.